Which is the largest continent on Earth by land area? A. Africa. B. North America. C. Asia. D. Europe. Correct answer, C. Asia. Which gas do plants primarily absorb from the atmosphere for photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer, B. Carbon dioxide. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Diamond. D. Granite. Correct answer, C. Diamond. In which country would you find the Great Pyramid of Giza? A. Mexico. B. Egypt. C. Italy. D. Greece. Correct answer, B. Egypt. Which scientist is famous for developing the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton. B. Marie Curie. C. Albert Einstein. D. Nikola Tesla. Correct answer, C. Albert Einstein. What is the primary currency used in the United Kingdom? A. Euro. B. Dollar. C. Pound sterling. D. Yen. Correct answer, C. Pound sterling. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus. B. Earth. C. Mars. D. Mercury. Correct answer, D. Mercury. How many colors are there in a standard rainbow? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Correct answer, C. 7. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? A. Buzz Aldrin. B. Neil Armstrong. C. Yuri Gagarin. D. John Glenn. Correct answer, B. Neil Armstrong. Which famous writer wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens. B. Mark Twain. C. William Shakespeare. D. Ernest Hemingway. Correct answer, C. William Shakespeare. Want more general knowledge questions? Go to themijabeauty.com.